just a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you've lost. There's an answer. If you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. Then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can